Why grease traps are vital for solid control in septic tanks. Septic systems manage waste quietly, but they are highly vulnerable to fats, oils, and grease. When these substances slip into the tank, they harden, block flow, and disturb treatment. Installing grease traps for septic tanks is the most effective way to prevent these costly and damaging problems. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are the reasons. 1. Stop clogs before they start. Grease quickly solidifies and sticks to pipes, creating stubborn blockages. A grease trap captures it at the source, keeping pipes and tanks clear and functional. 2. Protect bacterial balance. The bacteria in septic tanks are responsible for breaking down waste. Grease layers smother this activity, slowing decomposition. Grease traps prevent buildup and allow microbes to thrive. 3. Improve solid separation. Septic tanks work by separating solids, scum, and effluent. Grease mats interfere with this process, reducing efficiency. By intercepting oily waste, grease traps protect natural separation. 4. Extend system life. When grease and solids overrun a tank, it fills faster and wears out sooner. Grease traps reduce this stress, lowering maintenance costs and extending the lifespan of the system. 5. Safeguard the environment. If grease bypasses the system, it can pollute soil and groundwater. Grease traps add an essential layer of defense, keeping harmful waste from entering the environment. Grease traps for septic tanks are more than convenience, they are protection. They prevent clogs, preserve bacteria, support solid separation, extend the system's life, and protect the environment. For homes and businesses, installing one is a small step that delivers lasting security and efficiency. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.